Little Flower.
Hi friends. It's surprising to see you gardening today, but I fear that change in this flow's habitat might not work when it comes to its adaptation.
Adaptation.
Yes, my friends. I'm sure you must have heard the term adaptation before and wondered what does it mean and how does it help living organisms. So in today's episode, let us explore this essential surviving topic, what is plant adaptation? So, as you must have seen, when you ever travel to a different city or country, you find it extremely difficult to adjust to it for a while. Due to changing climate, food, or water. But as time progresses, your body begins to adapt to the new environment that helps you to feel better and settle down. So this process of change by which an organism or species become better suited to its environment is called adaptation. Let me explain. You probably are familiar with the plants in your environment. There are everywhere, over the land, top of the mountain, and underwater. But did you know that those plants are specially designed to live there? Yes, a tree that lives in the desert probably wouldn't last in the rainforest. And the tall tree can't survive in grasslands. The reason plants are able to survive in their environment is because of their adaptation. A plant adaptation is a unique feature a plant has that allows it to live and grow in its habitat, or place that it lives. And once you move these trees from their natural habitat, they will often find it hard to survive, and eventually die. So, now as you know what plants adaptation means, let us briefly look at how these trees have managed to adapt and evolve according to their habitats, starting with plant adaptation in deserts. Plant adaptation in deserts. As we know, the desert has a scarcity of waters with dry land. Thus, the plants like the thorny cactus, and Joshua tree have small or no leaves, and many spines that help them conserve water. These tiny leaves have a thick coat that serves to retain water for a long time. While the leaves plants like cactus store water in their green stem. Also, the roots of these desert plants are near the soil surface that help to soak up water before it evaporates in the sky. The growth is slow as the plants do not have to make much food. Like, share and subscribe for more videos from Little Flower.